information technology team recently installed new equipment in all general purpose classrooms. This new technology will allow you to connect with your students in any of the class modalities offered. The new technology consists of a ceiling or wall-mounted camera and a wall-mounted soundbar with a virtual microphone array. The cameras have the ability to pan, tilt, and zoom with their included remote. Just press the arrow buttons to move left, right, up, or down, and press the plus or minus buttons to zoom in or out. The virtual microphone array, projected by the soundbar, is able to pick up sound from any corner of the classroom. Both the camera and soundbar are connected to the in-room computer. The projector or television system in each classroom remains unchanged. Most classes will be using Zoom to connect with their students at home. The quickest way to access Zoom is through eCampus. Once you start your meeting, the camera, soundbar, and microphone will all connect automatically. Your live video feed will pop up right away. There are a few settings we recommend you check before continuing with your class. First, confirm the correct microphone and speaker are selected. Click the small arrow next to the microphone button and look for the echo canceling option. If your students are having a hard time hearing you, double check that this input is selected. After you have confirmed your audio sources, check your video settings. Click the small arrow next to the camera button and select Video Settings. We recommend checking Enable HD if not already selected. This will give your students the clearest possible picture. You also have the option to mirror your image in this menu. Please note that this setting only applies to your video preview. Your students will always see your video in the correct orientation. For those professors using Panopto, Google Meet, or any other software, please be sure the correct microphone and camera are selected in those applications. In a select number of specialty locations on campus, such as labs and converted classrooms, we've deployed a portable camera and microphone system. This system operates in a very similar way, connecting to a provided laptop. These systems are designed to be moved easily and aid in non-traditional classroom settings. All of this information and more will be posted in documentation in every classroom. To receive additional help with these camera systems or with any campus technology, please contact the IT Help Desk.